guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Nequa. And if you're new here, hello, welcome, what's up? So today I decided to do the 4th episode of Wreck This Journal. Woo! Woo! And see how crazy this journal has gotten through the 3 different episodes. If you missed the other episodes, I have it in the description box, some at the top here, in the eye, and at the end of the video, so you can check all that out. So I'm going to do some pages in this Wreck This Journal. I'm excited for this week's episode, so you don't want to miss out. You don't want to click off this video because you're going to miss some exciting things that just happened. So sit back and relax and continue watching. And before you go, if you're new here, okay, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified, and you know, check out some other videos that I did in the week and other times before you go. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. So the first page here, it says to infuse this page with a smell of your choosing. So I decided to do like some perfume smells or something like that to make this page smell good. So let's go ahead and do that. So some things that I'm going to infuse this page of different smells. So I have some perfumes here right on my desk, and I have this one by Bodyology, and it's the coconut hibiscus smell, and I love the lotion, and the spray, perfume spray, is not that bad either, so I'm going to spray it on here. And then I also have another fragrance, it might clash, but you know, I'm just going to infuse a different type of smells, and it's also a different perfume, and I'm just going to spray some of this onto the page as well. And it smells delicious. I love this one, as you can tell that I have used a lot. And yeah, I'm going to spray this on the page as well. And the last thing that I'm going to infuse this page with is, I don't know how this is going to go, but I have some hand sanitizer, and it smells like wild berry punch. And so this is what it looks like. I'm going to squirt this on to the page as well, and it smells delicious. I love it. So I'm going to spray that onto the page. So let's go ahead, go down and see how this is going to go about. And you know everything about me. All I gotta say, this page and the air around me smells like heaven right now. So I'm gonna let that dry, and so let's go ahead and go to the next page. This next page right here, it says place this page face down on the ground and kick it around for a while. So that means it's time to go outside into that world and go ahead and kick this book around. So the next page right here, it's once again my choice of how to wreck this page. So let's go ahead and wreck it. Fourth page that I'm gonna do, it says to place sticky things on this page, and they gave us some examples like honey, gum, syrup, glue, sucker, marshmallow. Wow. So I do have some syrup and some honey, so I'm gonna find some sticky things and put it on here and see how this page goes. Save me from myself. I really need your help. page I thought was really interesting because it says to find 10 very small items to glue here while going about your business. 10 small items. Like why? So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find some 10 small items around the house, outside. Let's go, let's see. So for the 10 small items, I have these on my desk, these little like rhinestone things. I take one out so you can see. They are like this. And I have this on my desk, not doing nothing with it, so I decided to put 10 of these on the page. So let's do it. This next page is a 2-sheeter page, and it says right here, cover this page using only items you found outdoors. This book makes you go outside so much. It makes you do a lot of adventures outside. It's good, it's cool, but I'm like, I want to find things inside. But let's go outside and find some things to cover this page. So some things that I found outside to place on this page was like some dead sunflower like stems that I found, and then also I have these cool 2 like dried up leaves, and so I put that in the book and I thought that was pretty cool. And the last one, I know, the last one I'm going to do this week, and it says right here, it says trace things from outside, let the lines overlap. So get leaves, get something, just trace around it, rocks, whatever, and we're going to trace around it and try to make something cool out of it. So let's go ahead and get started. You know everything about me. You know everything about me. So for this page, I really thought about going outside and find some things to trace around, but near me I really couldn't really find any cool things, so I decided to just trace around some objects that I have around my desk, like some lip scrub bottle, my little tiny arcade game, my jewelry box, my fingers. So I went ahead and did that. It was awesome, it's cool. I like how the outcome with this. So that was it. That's the last pages I'm going to do for this week's episode. And I thought this week's pages of this journal, I thought they were interesting, were different, it was cool, and I really enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed it as well and you're new here and you haven't, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is your time. This is your moment. And like this video as well so I know you guys like it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another Wreck This Journal, hopefully. And yeah, bye. You know everything about me.